Why is ground truthing vital for archaeological GIS mapping? Imagine building a map of buried treasures based only on shadows cast by the sun. It might look promising, but without checking the actual site, you could be chasing illusions. That's where ground truthing comes in. It's a key step in archaeological geographic information system mapping because it confirms whether the digital data matches what's really there. When archaeologists use remote sensing tools like satellite images or ground-penetrating radar, they get a picture of what might be underground. But these images can sometimes show false signals or misinterpretations. Ground truthing involves physically visiting these spots to verify what the remote data suggests. This can mean walking the site, taking measurements, or even digging small test pits. Doing this helps archaeologists see if the features in the digital map are actual archaeological remains or just natural formations. It also helps correct any errors in the remote sensing data. For example, if a satellite image shows a strange shape that turns out to be a modern construction, ground truthing can reveal that quickly. This process also helps calibrate the remote sensing tools, making future scans more accurate. When archaeologists visit the site, they gather more details like artifact types, soil layers, and site conditions that aren't visible in the digital maps. This extra information helps create a clearer picture of the site's history. Ground truthing also makes excavation work more efficient. By confirming where the real features are, archaeologists can focus their efforts on promising spots instead of wasting time on false leads. In practice, this means doing field surveys, digging small test trenches, or using controlled excavations at locations flagged by remote sensing. This step bridges the gap between what digital maps show and what exists in the real world. Without ground truthing, GIS maps could lead to mistaken conclusions, wasting time and resources. It's a vital part of making sure digital tools are reliable and precise for archaeological research and preservation. So, in simple terms, ground truthing keeps the digital and physical worlds connected, making sure what's mapped is truly what's buried beneath our feet.